Keyboarding Lesson 1. And we're going to talk about home keys. Our goal here is to type the home keys. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon is the home keys. Touch type the space bar over here, your thumb. Touch type the enter key here, semicolon, finger to touch type the enter key. Okay, so place your fingers of your left hand on the home keys as follows. First finger, which is we call also F finger. Second finger, which is the D finger. Third finger, which is also called as S finger. And the fourth finger is also called A finger. Okay, then place your right hand over here, and the J finger is the first finger. Second finger, K finger. The third finger is also called L finger, and the fourth finger is also called SEM finger, semicolon finger, SEM. Okay, so the F and the J finger, you can feel here a raised line. So even you're not looking on it, or you feel that one, it means you're in the proper position. You're in the home keys. Okay, so curve your fingers, and using the correct fingers, type each character as you say it to yourself, like A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon. Okay, so remove your fingers from the keyboard. Now replace them again on the home keys, and press each home keys again as you say each character, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon. Okay, now let's include a space bar. The space bar here. The space bar is located beneath the letter keys. Okay, it's used to space between words and after marks of punctuation. With fingers held motionless on the home keys, okay, poise your right thumb about a ½ inch above the space bar. Then type the characters, then press the space bar one time, bounce your thumb off. So it goes JKL, semicolon, space bar, ASDF, space, JKL, semicolon, space, ASDF, space bar, JKL, space bar, ASDF, DF, space bar, JKL, semicolon, space bar, JKL, semicolon, space bar, JKL, semicolon. Okay, so now let's include enter key. The enter key moves here. The enter key moves the insertion point to the beginning of a new line. Okay, reach to the enter key with the fourth finger, the same finger of your right hand. Keep your J finger at home. Lightly press the enter key. Practice using the enter key until you can do so with confidence and without looking at your hands. So let's try enter key, enter key, enter key. You can see this is moving with the new line. Okay, so let's try that. Enter key. Type ASDF space bar JKL semicolon space bar ASDF space bar JKL semicolon. Enter key. ASDF space bar JKL semicolon space bar ASDF space enter key. Okay, you can practice that as many repetitions as you can. Okay, so now let's do the F and J. F and J. Okay, F and J. So let's delete that one. F and J. We go F space bar, F space bar, J space bar, J F space J space F space J F space J. Enter key. Okay, do this like 2 times or 3 times. So now let's do the D and K keys. This time the A and same fingers, the fourth finger on your left, the A and same fingers remain on the home keys while typing the D and K. Okay, so it goes like this: D space D space K space K D space K space D space K D space K. Enter key. Okay, do this line 2 times or 3 times again. Now let's do the S and L keys. This one, the A finger and the same keys remain on the home keys. Don't move this while typing the S and L. Okay, so it goes like this: S space L space L space S space L SS LL SS LL S space L. Enter key. Okay, so repeat that line again. Now let's do the A and semicolon keys. This one, the F and J fingers remain on the home keys. F and J. The F and J remain on the home keys while typing A and semicolon. So it go like this: A, space, A, semicolon, semicolon, A, colon, A, or let's go like A, colon, A, colon, A, colon, A, enter key. Do that line again, two times or three times. Okay, so let's move on. Let's do that one.